are entering the FAT center of Adam Fabriwork. Let's have a look as to how process skids are made for processing of critical, life-saving drugs and products. The Factory Acceptance Test Center ensures that all the systems are tested in place before they are dispatched, and we have all the testing mechanisms here. So there are different systems ready for inspection in the FAT center. We are manufacturing a very large COVID vaccine project for one of India's largest vaccine manufacturers. The process vessels range from 100 liters to 33,000 liters, and these are a few of the vessels in fabrication. These are vessels with their own skids which are getting ready and being assembled and fabricated. So, this is what is called as a super skid. A super skid is a combination of multiple skid parts that you see on the top structure, with the two vessels in place, the pipe racks, and the systems. So these are dispatched in modules, and they ensure faster integration at site. Well, this is the area of the client's premises which covers partitions and door profiles to ensure that the process equipment fits in the exact spot that it is intended to fit. This ensures correct fitment and placing of the equipment at the client's premises. This is a skid in which oncology products will be made. The system has tanks, pumps, heat exchangers, filters, piping, automation all piped up. That is the utility skid being assembled for the heat exchanger module for heating and cooling of the skids. That's the CIP module fabrication in place with respect to the process piping, which is cleaning in place for all the process vessels. You can see the process lines, including the drain line, to ensure that there is no piping to be done at site, and all the process piping is carried forward from here. Well, the small vessel is a critical process vessel of 5 liters, mounted on top, to ensure that the product flow happens by gravity of this critical liquid addition into the mixing vessel at the bottom. These are block valves from GEMU Germany, which ensures complete product draining and retrieval as per process requirements, and these reduce the hold-ups for the product, thereby increasing the yield. The green-colored mixer is the magnetic mixer from Novaseptec. These are magnetic mixers, which have a great advantage in mixing profiles, for process mixing technology, for sterile liquids. This is the electrical control cabinet, which controls the entire skid. We have components ranging from Siemens to pneumatics covered with Festo, and this control system controls the process vessels for different areas being put together. Automation systems are being checked, tested, to ensure that the systems run as per the P&ID, which are designed in accordance with the design criteria, and the automation hardware and software sequences. Functional specifications are tested to ensure complete cycle repeatability for all the process parameters and programs. The FAT team is working here with respect to documentation protocols for a seamless transition of testing, quality checks, and quality assurance. This ensures that the client has the advantage of a clear, working system. So we have products which are manufactured, tested, bought out, being integrated to ensure a world-class system. And that is the key advantage with the FAT Center. That gives you a large space to work on, as well as complete testing capabilities. Here is the office block. The office block covers key critical points of inspection, including multiple interaction rooms with the client, conference rooms, discussion rooms, inspection rooms. We also ensure that the clients who come for the factory acceptance test have an unrestricted view of the campus. Do visit us and experience our facility at Nasik for yourself. We look forward to seeing you.